I mean, this Thomas guy needs to get out of here, bro. No, his head! I don't have voice chat.
There is no voice chat in this.
Yeah.
Bro.
Did you guys write in your journal yet?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did.
I did it. I don't have. What's the journal do?
I think it's Alicia. I think it's Alicia.
It's
like
definitely Alicia.
Cause
when you
Alicia,
die.
Cause
when you die, everyone sees your journal. So like, if you put your role in there, you know.
Oh, I feed people muffins. My friend has read that. I feed people muffins.
yeah, I'll just do that. Alicia.
I can relate with this. Not gonna lie.
Oh my god! I beat it! I beat it! I beat it!
Yeah!
Oh, I beat it! Oh, I beat it! Ah, yes!